Good day everyone! Have you ever wondered how something as simple as washing your hands can save lives?
Proper hand hygiene is one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of germs, bacteria, and viruses. That is why knowing the correct way to wash our hands is very important. When we talk about germs and illnesses, the germs react nervously. Many illnesses such as colds, flu, diarrhea, and other infections spread through contaminated hands. Wash our hands.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: clean running water, soap, a clean towel or tissue for drying. Step number 1. Wet your hands with clean running water. Make sure both hands are completely wet before applying soap. Step number 2. Apply enough soap to cover all surfaces of your hands. Soap helps break down grease, dirt, and germs that water alone cannot remove. Step number 3. Rub your hands together for at least 20 seconds. Proper scrubbing is very important. Make sure to clean the palms of your hands, the back of your hands, between your fingers, under your fingernails, around your thumbs, your fingertips, and your wrists. Scrubbing for 20 seconds ensures that germs are properly removed. You may sing the Happy Birthday song twice to measure the time. Step number 4. Rinse your hands thoroughly under clean running water. Make sure all soap is completely washed away. Step number 5. Dry your hands using a clean towel, tissue, or air dryer. Drying your hands is important because germs spread more easily on wet hands. In conclusion, proper hand washing is an important way to protect ourselves and others from illness. By following these steps regularly, especially before eating, after using the restroom, after coughing or sneezing, and after touching dirty surfaces, you can help stop the spread of diseases. Remember, clean hands can save lives.